And this ya ben magwase. Ato force na nimagwase. The man pay John Mahama na nimagwase.
From April edi kosi June. Na yen cedi no the best performing currency. Na yetumi aba besi third quarter mu. Ni yetisa yesi cedi ni worst performing currency a. E dey na ma cedi na be worst performing currency.
Hey mama intide na me dey ayo. Bikabi ma wo.
Encheraso Bloomberg, report on the buyer concerning cedi and dollar. No better mu say. Currently, no, cedi is the worst. In fact, the worst performing currency. A worst in a sika enye cedi dikai. The worst performing currency in the whole world. Bloomberg for that report na buyer. The business Bonohene and a lawyer for Adom Otchere and many other journalists. O ma better imagine ever home. We say Mahama question say Mahama a year day because just 3 weeks ago. Now cedi any the best performing currency in the year day dear na Cynthia. Enyema esa jinsemi. Oba busa Mahama question. How you Penyah Block Media. Mess was any demo. Oba like video no under my subscribe button. So click the notification and latest updates. So better watch the mama e comment section. Mess was so baso no ashi no for so enya bi ahwe. Enti atoba we Adom ha wetena kunya na dollar either 14.71 pesos. Later you say dollar na start air cost through emu 3 days time. Ana Mahama Bank of Ghana esa say omu inject dollars egu system at the 10th January 2025 year, you know, Adom Otchere kunya so 3 days. And we inject $2.8 billion. Egu economy minimum. Somebody support cedi no ahoɔden ma cedi nya ahoɔden. March mu ana gold board speakers and esa na every week bia no gold board esa be boy economy no. Ye be inject $250 million egu mu. And say Bank of Ghana to sika gum no. Na gold board so to gu na sika be busu wo man ni mu. It ema cedi nya start say peke. It esati nya ahoɔden me mu say me mu kura no. Bank of Ghana SA inject another $490 million egu economy ni mo. Another size cedi size enya hode na etiba kura na still. That Bank of Ghana could so to skagum. Mind you, not every kibiano gold boss $250 million support it. Even as of July, 15 July, Bank of Ghana saying inject another $1.4 billion just within a month. Just within 5 months no. Now Bank of Ghana inject over $4 billion. You are wasting sikawi. You are injecting sikawi to the economy just to support the strength of the cedi. You are wasting skanokwa. Sade ko dia na kufa di yebi 2019. Nanka o ma dollar ni gina ye no. To force be condemn ye be kwan ye hu de even John Mahama. E be de wo ho.
Surprise that in the minister's statement he failed to alert all of us that he has encouraged the Bank of Ghana to print new money worth 22 billion Ghana cedis. Only for us to see it in this document. And you can see it in the media review document, page 97, appendix 2A. And the Bank of Ghana, they have printed 22 billion and 48 million Ghana cedis. 22 billion and 48 million Ghana cedis, new money that they have printed, without approval of Parliament, without informing all of us.
But interestingly, Omanumu condemn injection of dollars in the economy. No, first quarter of 2024, first and second quarter of 2025, Oma inject over $4 billion. Gold board there than chain. Gold board every week there $250 million. Every month, $1 billion. Would the gold board there crab account one? So say within 6 months, no. Ghana, Bank of Ghana, any gold board, inject over $10 billion. Because of that, no. Sitting Penyah Huaden, pa ejira na so. Bloomberg. NME sitting say any the best performing currency in the whole world. Honey the say auto forcing anyway nyama auto is forcing. Na auto tiada no ye interview na say oje ni munyam.
Maybe a finance minister in January, I think 24th or so. When I became the Minister of Finance. Within a month, and I yabo more than yabo or year treasury bill rate wabaful. And me took office now, it was going like that. So within a month, we were able to turn it around. You know, I'm MPP for ya. That one more kind. Oh, artificial, you are manable crope. Oh, bet was and nature to the car of Coco the year, or bet was and nature this year. How many months? February, March, April, May, June, July. In fact, it has even improved. It has even improved. And they said the same thing. Since I wage Samaka. See, the started, I appreciate also you 1 week after the following week or bet too free. What are we saying? The city is still stable.
What I say, Ghana pilots are Ghana for $1 no. I'll pick it.
Mr. Speaker, Right Honorable Speaker, fellow citizens, Ghana for Ghana cedi no apeke. Cedi no.
There's an atu ejed munyam. Man, ebi kase debi anyway, artificial go for me you money. Adini artificial also message. Artificial. Atu boy atu or boy. Uno, Mahama Abrante pa. Sana buy the was wo. Jed munyam go buy $1 above from. Ogo pay with Japan. Hono. Ogo sa no hum na gas. Oh, masa me mamba. Mumu say that Japan for mamba. Ajem come mamba. Because I am me be a president and the whole Bloomberg. And Maka say Ghana currency and the best performing currency in the whole year. Say, and the mama idiot. Mama Mama says, no dear. Hey, maybe a bobo currency. I'm not the best, maybe. You dear mommy, huh? What I say? Hey, the power me, huh? I was ya can't be able. Nancy, another has to say a pick against the cedi. Another not pick as I'm speaking to you now. Dollar, NNM, 12 cedis, got 12.1. Ama NWH, Bloomberg started report, I was say. $1 no against the cedi. See, we are seeing now. Sika yet the West, cedi. The West performing currency. First Sika we are seeing them even now than in account be. Cedi has become the West performing currency in the whole world. I know, Anna Bonohene, lawyer for Adom Otchere, any many journalists. Every time Mahama question say, open a day, 3 weeks per a day. Despite Sika more to economy because Sika pa more to Ghana economy just to sustain the economy. Over $10 billion any actually. Somebody is carrying an air waste. Mumetri a day and a banisa.
And this your band Magwasi. I two force in the Magwasi. The man paying John Mahama and the Magwasi.
You bomwa, no crane decline.
Amuba mono betra kunyaso. January 7, 2025. Yadia financial munsamwa afa hu se cedi ni nya hoden yes say ato is forcing. Maybe jina ha catch them say hey omuboa. Omunya trekish aban. Woni obi o ye trekish ya ade ahwe nanim na tie ne kasa.
Etumpan.
Wo kan na kina bisanse den na wo kan ye. Wo bonso hu de wo kan ye na wo sensem. Sa cedi no na enya hoden no. I'm telling you today, your forest reserve, MPP abanja no ho, sa wo man ko ahuhiam, sika bia ni o man ni mu a, ye de ansa bebom, ni abehwe o man no, no mu yi $4 billion e de pushi cedi no, sa na be cedi no benya hoden against the dollar.
Etumpan.
I am a 4 bar bonten babo bi oji amane say hey munyai mu dada man for say no ma kona nye. Mu ma ye hu economy no say e grow. Na munya artificial no ma no amanfo say MF ankasa ena o ma anye say ena e koduru he
Ne ka na da ho no
ena Bloomberg for reporter ba ne say ye cedi no a ye say ye NDC ababa eno ma ye no ye say the worst performing currency the whole world. Sika mu ha sika sabi be munya duru sika odi ye hwe nya yie ye say ye cedi no Menja na make a Bloomberg report about Bonteno no.
107.3.
Asase pono no. Na transibisa ho say. First 5 months of NDC under John Mahama and then the finance minister ato forcing. Ayada na cedi ni timi nya hode. Now within 2 weeks bram.
Way boy.
Cedi na bofom.
Wash.
First quarter.
Etumpan.
Second quarter.
Shenia kasa.
Na cedi no ahoden. And when you this ni kasa won need na come to no kra na won nwene asem o kan say na say ye ba ye cedi na ye ba quarter 3 of 2025 cedi no e da form say bram
Usre da wo de gia ye de ba ma obufu so na ye say ye de ba ma
ahode ni cedi no bio. And within a space of 2 weeks bisa NDC aban bisa to forcing na bisa John Mahama say within a space of 2 weeks then na cedi na hoden atiaba form trem and I see the worst performing currency. Bisomo,
Mampayi John Dramani Mahama ko Tokyo. 9th Tokyo International Conference on African Development, 20th August 2025. Now, Japan for be invested in Ghana. What catch them so you sit in there, ye pa, who have you seen you sit in there against the dollar. Bisan says sit in there when he view. Bisamo, artificial services and an BOG or more demand this you're buying. Ya pesa sabi ye sidi no emuye dru na Ghana for unse ba ye no ya sesa noma enoma ekoye ti ye pompisi can from BOG ne dey be support sidi no na sidi na nya hoden enya gain more than the dollar ne ye boy ensem ne ye sidi okruma ye dada ye ho why na dada no
107.3
asase pono no ya se usisi ananse a usisi ho akwa ya peta nyum no ma usisi ananse a usisi ho ye sisi ye ho ye nunu ye ho na ye sere because of politics. Masidi ni nyina ne naso kwan amfa so ma ni gina naso no magana fo hu eyen kakra kakra ne betuma pagya magana fo nte ase we obi nche obi nkum pata medada Ghana fo ma ye mmewie ame ho mekere ye and omo nim kwan ya omo fa so a ombe masidi na tim anya hoden and na wo kọ banks u dollar no nya bi wo kọ banka dollar u nya bi abochifo ne kita dollars no enti demand aye high. Sabe, ye kosa busumi we mu from September, October, November, December e be di burunya. Omo di dollars kwa buro chire kofa no ma ba Ghana no. Omo di dollars ne kofa no ma ne ba. Enti wo kwa sabe bank na sika ni bi no ho a wo kwa abochi wo. Demand on abochi na high. Enti demand on abochi na high definitely dollar no e be kosoro. Nti de na mo ya no na mu nunum ho na mo se na mu gu Ghana fo ani ase
ne ka na da ho no
wo ya ndisi ni a suti ase wo ya to force na suti ase wo ya Mampayi John Dramani Mahama ma dada Ghana fo too much and trying ya do so
wo kan wie no so won ti ase de ay wono headache
akwa ma me nko na nkomo
from April edikosi June na yen yesidi no the best performing currency na yetumi aba besi third quarter mu ni yetisa yesidi ni ye worst performing currency a edie na ma sidi na be ye worst performing currency niema sidi no ye the best performing currency a omo edi tu seni ani from April edi besi June no ma ye hu se the best performing currency no according to Bloomberg for omo ma ye tiase se Ghana nkasa ye gross international reserve no epeja ne homene so 3-year high of $11.1 billion at June ending. Ama Bank of Ghana per Bloomberg report to say, omo itumi release enough funds to fully meet demand for foreign exchange. And only high house here. Etiabriana Bank of Ghana for injected sika ediewura yesi dollar nim sidi ni musabe ya yesidi ni benya nwade no. Sabre entumi nye sustainable because penhwehwemu April kosi June na sidi ni the best performing currency. Yesi your friend said September mo Bloomberg for the report about say the worst performing currency. And the worst performing currency the money the worst performing currency. Question no pay ye bisana no. Because Finance Minister Mayeti asese and she say omudi egu akwa mu gold board the crown so ba bebo my Ghana ama sesia no yesidi na ho ode no etimi ato aso. So the question we asking this morning is say adenti na sidi no depreciate because initially ye bisa ya no yete ye from mpanyufo no bia yete say e sustainable etidie na ma sidi no depreciate afa sidi na ba be the worst performing currency per Bloomberg reporter wo mo dia ba montene so setback just within 5 months after say yesidi no ye name and say the best performing currency in April enya 16% gain against the US dollar. Na sabre o share current situation na just etumi you raise by 50% gain recorded between April and June. And this is serious. It is our rank here first globally on the back of strong gold prices no weakened by 13% in this current quarter ye wom. So what is the issue? Na ye bia bi no mo be ye bia ma ya hwe. Anasa de we no bribi wo hono mo be ye just to maintain the cedi appreciation because about say people are complaining. People are complaining. And complaints about ni bi ye say enen kura no Say atete niyama so a wa wutie me wa wohwe me, you attest to it. Says see an cedi no, yes a depreciate. And a depreciate in affect 1 year a kofa niyama ba. Wa ukoto niyama koto affect because eba say na dollar na mo de na kosro automatically affect cedi no. Eti gold board is say yo mudi gu akwam no say na kokosi ye. Finance minister ato forcing Pemushiseyemu NDC for Bebrenadi Omanu to me say this will be sustainable. Here is the case Ayatese is depreciated. Senke Bejina 10 Ghana cedis. To see a 10 Ghana cedis. And see a dollar no crano. Okwa 12 cedis. Forex side. Okwa black market for no one. Ebru 12 Ghana cedis. And to see a no crano. Okwa banks are hodwa kraya some sebe. In terms of dollar or transfer na de issues bi wo hono mo a eye ensem bi a wo say ye ka, let's say it as it is. Say be ya hyehyeye bi wo hono mo a empanyimfo betumi de gu akwam as to set the respective stakeholders obo de gu akwam na boye because say cedi ni kwaso depreciate a ebe mo man Ghana mo ayade.
President Mahama touts Ghana's cedi as world's best performing currency in Japan. That's true. That's true. By the time President Mahama was in Japan, the currency was the world's best. Then moments later, says Ghana cedi now the world's worst performing currency, Bloomberg. These Bloomberg people, who told them that they should be telling us about our cedi? Do they spend cedi? The Bloomberg people, do they spend cedi? The other day when Akufo-Addo was complaining about the international ratings and Africa should get its own rating, we were shouting at him that he's too short and this and that. And he has chopped cathedral money and he's chopping money and he's aching mafia, and we said all those things about Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo was making the point. And look, these international agencies that don't sit in our country, they don't know what we know, they don't feel what we feel. They will sit in New York and they will say, Ghana is +2, Ghana is -0, Ghana is this, that. He alleged that if they have companies here, they do some work, you don't pay them. They tell the agency, Ghana is plus something. And that's what they are doing. NDC people were laughing at Akufo. They say he's too short, so he cannot see. So something. Look at what they've done. How can Ghana move from what date is this? Where is the date? 20th August. President John Mahama, speaking in Japan, quotes the same Bloomberg. Mahama touts Ghana's cedi as world's best performing currency. It's not an analysis that John Mahama himself did. It's an analysis that Bloomberg did. And they reported on it that Ghana's currency is the best performing. Today, September 4 or so, then they come back and say, Ghana's cedi now world's worst performing currency. From August to September, you are talking about the whole world of 100 and something countries. Ghana can move from number 1 up to number 0. Go and take stone. Go and give it to Akufo-Addo. Go and take stone. Find stone. Go and pick stone and say, Nana, Boni. Akufo-Addo said it. Now let's forget about these rating agencies and build our own. Oh, they say he's too short. It's just it's that. He should clear off. He's mismanaging the economy. Have you seen what has happened? They will do this to us until we go and resurrect Kwame Nkrumah from the grave that Akufo-Addo built for him beautifully at the Accra place there, and let him come and say again that we will get independence to show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Akufo-Addo said it. So me tomorrow, I'll take my stone from here. I will drive to Laboni, Akufo-Addo's office. I'll go and knock at his door. I will see Niteko Tego. I will push him out of the way. I will go to Akufo-Addo's office. He will ask me that, what am I doing here? I'll say, Nana, this is your stone. He will ask me that, what's the stone for? I said, when you said that we should get our own rating agencies and we were all shouting at you, this is your stone. Now the rating agencies in 3 weeks have moved Ghana from the best performing currency to the worst performing currency. NDC, have you seen? Have you seen it? Please, there's an Akufo-Addo photograph where the NDC have been using where he's doing this. If you get it, if you have it, give it to me. NDC, have you seen what they've done to you? Me, I'm not going to celebrate it. That's NDC. No. We are talking Ghana, and we are talking Africa, and we are talking the renaissance of Africa and the independence of Africa. You see what Bloomberg have done? President Mahama was talking about it in Japan to international people. And I'm sure the Bloomberg people heard it. They say, oh, don't mind, we'll fix him. Let him say what he wants. We'll deal with him. And they are dealing with us. Are we going to sit down for them to deal with us every day? Rawlings came and said, we no go sit down, make the cheat us every day. No, they are still cheating us after shouting. The game is not about shouting. The game is about thinking to be able to develop systems that support our development. That's the game. It's thinking to be able to develop systems that support our development. Not this one. President Mahama says cedi is the best performing. Look at it. 2 days later, Ghana's cedi is the worst. Bloomberg. Cedi has moved from 11 to $1 to 13 to $1. Oh, Ghana is the worst performing. Bloomberg. This is going to go out to investors. Investors are going to review their something about Ghana. We are going to move from B to B minus and all that. When nothing has changed here, our cocoa is producing, our gold is producing, our economy is working, nothing has changed. But they are going to give verdicts that then undermine investor confidence. This is what happens. This is what Akufo-Addo was cautioning us about. That let us stop these things. Let's get our own rating agencies. A word to the wise is enough.
Mahama is the whole ampa. He said, cedi is the worst performing currency globally. Chese. If you are seeing you see the Adane ball out. Obi amfa nyehwe. Wo di cedi to from obi ko to say cedi and that from koda wonfa. It is the worst performing currency globally and ne amene wo kase. Now obi bebusa say eba ne say na cedi a few months ago na the best performing currency. If you are seeing now, the worst performing currency in just few months later. And you see, NDC by Abemi, Abra City no the best performing currency across the globe. No more they had no hand in it. No more home matching. And who is a boy? At the time, I see the best performing currency globally. Now NDC are buying policy buying and I know why implementing. Program or buying and I know why implementing. In fact, no more budget what they call parliament in a match. Now you pass the appropriation crime or multi raise revenue implement your policies. But I just say but I say I see the meeting and see the need because of initiation pa. Dr. Baumia, the rich ideas of Dr. Baumia or implementing here. Back in the days, an MPP or power where America, Bank of Ghana, Castle, or call London about a month ago, or Manumutum, almost Dr. Baumia rich ideas or implementing here. I don't know how much the national and also, I don't know how much inflation ever from, and then improvement in the economy. Now, a ban is saying, cedi are the worst performing currency globally. And this is where NDC for Nankasa competence. Any policies are implement or implementing their worth, how valuable they are, has come to bear. We currently a testament of NDC for how incompetent they are because I feel no much as implement your policies. I feel no more handle economy Nankasa with their own ideas. And it's quite unfortunate say but rich ideas are what they buy our economy, they can't sustain it. And they can't even complement it with more ideas, more programs to consolidate the gains that we made in cedi appreciation in value, any inflation and alcohol. And it is sad. You see, Ghana, we always tell you people, MPP is the best manager of the economy. And I don't want himself you will be exchanging $1 for no less than 16 Ghana cedis. Meanwhile, if you have a money 14.7.
Yes, the doctor team yanye JM Baya Wabeyo Mahame yenye udeni JM yenye udeni JM yenye udeni. Yes, Ghana for any way cedi $1 nto me say na dey yes way open bi Ghana for asem aba yes asem kasi aba Ghana for bete odi answer me to me come out to crowd message for answer dey back man yes for back was when me ya we be a price na do say me say afo me now as I trust here the real dollar is in takre nu cedi 2028 still possible yes still possible Ghana for asem bebe de bi Ghana for asemabo enne yen kwada nsori a ewiase hanum nyina yes adwumaku a yenhwehwemu efa sikasem ho no Ghana fo omu dia beto dwa se me ne o kasai u pesika sika pa eyanim guase fo sika eni ahoden che sika eni animonyam kra o wiase anum a eye Ghana fo esika no Ghana fo eye Mahama pipa sorry ene Ghana fo sika eye Mahama pipa yes Mahama pipa eno na te say eye che sika o mo ne ho modin wo ewiase nyina Ghana fo na se sia me ne o kasai uko cedi to dollar no a Ghana fo ene $1 biaram ye de be ma 13 cedis 71 pesos Ghana for 80 cedis dollar ntoko he de message se nyame bam anya se ebedu December ene dia akwatiafo ekoye me say cedi to dollar ebedu be 10 billion Ghana for mo de fa se bia nsuoka dia akwatiafo aye me say cedi to dollar ebedu say 10 billion Ghana for woni me ya adwe na wo yere wo Shàme me ye ka kire na ebuboba ebedu ho mo kodi dwa no mo die mo behu mo Shàme me mo so nte se de cedi dollar ntokwa no ene ehurei yes
Hey mama intide na me dia ye o bikabi ma wo cedi sne kosro na cedi sne kosro na me agi na me agi just say ya sika na nya ahoden ente ina be kotina ye krom na ye business o ye krom just say wo ma say what's am sika na sorte hey it's almost cedi dollar ni nya ahoden chen cedi se biom o ma dollar ni nya ahoden chen cedi se biom hey and they betina krom ade dey say sika na say cost re betina krom ache because na me ni age say cedi ni nya ahoden nti ye ina be ko ye krom ya kotonton wele ni kawuru you say the almost cedi ni say ko for me benden and what's here to Kruma?
I forcing.
I don't know, and I can't be.
I don't rate no so
and Numreya Michke 12.0.
Maybe 11 point something. When you 13, I say new 13. No, I didn't see. I didn't see.
Dollar for Necasano.
I see. Sabe catcher, who's my catcher?
Oh, 11. I want to me Pesamicato say 11. I want
about 3 months.
I'm more updating 11 something this morning. And on a man or mouth
Bank of Ghana,
Bank of Ghana aired the update 11 a.m. this morning.
Yes.
And that was 11 point something. As we speak, it's 36 minutes after 7. And it's 12.05.
But also, what I didn't see. Good boys can answer. That's why my catcher was say. You hear stability dance, you be 8. You can say 18 now. Also, me make say businesses can plan. About 2 weeks ago, Prudential Bank organized a seminar on the stability of the city's gains and implications for the economy. Nipa ko be kasa ho the chief executive of AGI. What's this AGI? Kwabwa. What's this about for affect a lot of businesses. A lot of people outside, so companies were struggling to pay their workers because exchange, foreign exchange, a swati, a man import, a cheap. People were importing Ghana for beautifully, a baby, but a cheaper. It was threatening businesses in Ghana, and that government used $2 billion to do that now. It was unnecessary. The Abani, it was pure yeah, by 10.
It was unnecessary.
It was unnecessary. Also, it was unnecessary. Stability was more important to than Jay. Number 7 now. Trust wasn't. Is there an equal 13? And then I can see I say, oh, I 13. I very bad.
Who was this and so maybe I will be Bino. 12.7.
And the government used $2 billion to do that thing. That's why the IMF came into one and said, it's too much. And now, people. Business are struggling. So businessmen are almost when they can't see when a minority and MPP can say government shall always spend there.
Yes.
Yes.
I mean,
I told it's forced
to say to some contract.
Yes, what you are moka.
And you know now I'm pushing na. Not just say Atu was not forcing.
Atu was not forcing.
But I said now can be said Atu is forcing.
I said me they can say stability was more important. I didn't say Atu was forcing a man for can. Yes, a man for can make.
And when they were telling us about Papa Bano, I told them say it's too early.
Look,
Governance, okay? The word governance is not noise making. Governance is not about noise. Governance is not too much talk. Amambu enyedidi. Amambu ye yenamenshe. Sa wo kasa ena maye nese ochina enkrofo na ehun results na they will backfire. There was a time I started making video on this dollar something. Then I got to a time I said, no, let's just say, I will be very glad to the big crumble say, Kasasa, MPP for me, and then let us watch. I told myself, say, I will sit back and watch this dollar. If it is really natural, then it will continue to be like that. But if it is an artificial something, then it means that in the future, we will see it. And here is it today. And then that is what we are seeing. Governance is like a pregnancy. After every pregnancy, you have to deliver, you have to give birth to a child. For people to see. That is the end result of the pregnancy. That is, governance is just like that. You promise, they bring you to power. At the end of the day, they want to see that. You don't just come out and tell people that we are doing this while the people have not seen with their eyes. There was a time in my video I made mention that God is also present on the land that we rule. And so let us be careful with some of the things. Say nyankopon e be gu enimu ase a. Nyankopon kasa be gu enimu ase a ho. Come back we crampan keye. Hey. Today, look what we are seeing. The worst performing currency so far.
Ubet machire wadwe amame. Ewo comment section. Ebe wa Ghana hanumo. Just a boss and a kwaje, boss and Mahama J for the 6 months in office. Because as of December 2024, na Ghana yakaya dear aging $49 billion. As of June 2025, na Ghana yakana akodru $59 billion. Meaning say just 6 months in office, Mahama aboro $10 billion. He can away or the abe with economy anymore. I'm at no so pasca. Anyi don't know na. Or sort of a boy say 6 months. Open up bobosia $10 billion there. I am just imagining. The 4 years and query. Never a Ghana yaka could. A bayer or Ghana had. Chiraji mame ever comment section. I Penyah Block Media.